Okay, what next to review on this channel? Something interesting and nope, that's been done before. Something maybe a little bit bigger. Something nope, that's slightly bigger, but it's a knockoff and we hate it. Something that hasn't appeared yet on YouTube, and that's been done way too many times. Why are you even suggesting that? We need something that is fidget-like, but something that hasn't been seen too often yet on video. And what is that? Ignore the beeping sounds. What is this? The Fidget Pad. Work Class Home. This is the Fidget Pad. It says Work Class Home. Inside a little circle, surrounded by a nice monochrome color scheme pattern. It's kind of interesting. Oh, you've got some hair. You've also got, let's see, product name, Fidget Pad, material, structure, mini hand shank, whatever that means. Service, OEM acceptable. Ah, it's good. It's good. Okay. The weight is 70 grams per unit. What is a unit? Oh, must have been self-defined, I guess. I don't know. Let's see. Glide, click, massage, shift, breathe, spin, roll, spin, and lanyard hole. You see the problem here? Can you see the odd button out? Yes. This is not a verb. We've also got a barcode. If you want to buy it, just scan it with your own custom cell phone application, and I will not charge you anything because you cannot buy things through YouTube. You're crazy. Ignore those features that you've seen from a few years ago. You've got a nice window. You have a nice metal lettering there. Let's just see what we've got inside. That was easy. And sure enough, inside we've got a container. You've got a lanyard. Probably replace it with something a little bit less pink. And inside, of course, we've got a nice piece of plastic for housing the Fidget Pad. Now, I believe I'm holding it upside down. I'm not sure. And this is the Fidget Pad. Let's go see what we see. The first things first, I'm already noticing that there's a bit of wear on the joystick, if this is what this is. The glossy bit is less glossy right there. But let's see how this functions. The first thing, that turns, and it's actually pretty smooth. There's a bit of resistance, so it doesn't flop around when you wiggle. You're gonna have to push pretty far, and it's pretty smooth all around. There's no clacking. Can you hear anything? No, you can't. There are 4 buttons, and all of them... Oh, I was gonna say all of them are soft, but let's see. Red is soft. Blue, it clicks. It's a bit satisfying too. Yellow, doesn't click. Green clicks as well. And they return to their height right after each press, so there's no multiple stages. You've got a right shoulder without anything on it, the left shoulder with an interesting texture on it. The middle part, you have a thing that should roll, I think. Yes, you can roll it. It rolls smoothly, but there is some resistance, so that's kind of interesting. On the front, you can also roll, but it's 2 pieces, unlike this. 2 different rollers, and they click. Okay, not too bad. It rolls, but it's not too hard to roll, so you don't have to press your thumb in too much. On the left side, you have this thing that can slide along here, and it's spring-loaded. That could become very annoying very quickly. You've also got on the bottom some weird switch. Oh, that's satisfying. And you can also very quickly spam the switch like so. And last but not least, something that rolls. Okay, this is much smoother than, well, it's pretty smooth, but I meant it's a little bit looser than any of the other things. Like this one, you have to push a little bit. So you can't just rub it like that. It won't move. You have to push down. So there's a lot of resistance. Same thing with this joystick. You have to push pretty hard to move things. This just spins freely on its own like that. But you can hear, or more precisely, you can't hear anything. Oh, there's a little bit of residue here. So this is basically another fidget object, And you might recognize this packaging in the part that says Work Class Home, because this is actually the similar packaging to one of these guys, which is a knockoff of the Fidget Cube. The quality is alright for this guy, but it doesn't quite match the features and shape and moldings of the original, so I'm not even gonna bother reviewing this too much. But this is the Fidget Pad, and it looks pretty fun to play with. I mean, something that came from Light Take. I would not expect to be that good if it was not a not a knockoff. Basically, I'm saying this is unexpectedly pretty good. So, yeah, there's nothing much else to say except that it has plenty of functions. It pretty much gives everything that it listed here. It also has not only one lanyard hole, but two lanyard holes. Unless you're into topology and you realize that these two holes are joined, so it's actually just one hole. Anyways, this has been the Fidget Pad, and I think it's a pretty good idea to get it. A link should be down below. If not, remind me. But thanks for watching.